Good morning, students. Hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Today we will continue with our geography chapter 1, the earth and the solar system. Okay. Before continuing with our chapter today, let us revise about the planets through this book exercise questions. I hope you all have done these exercise. If not, please do it with pencil. Those who have done, you can check whether your answer is right or not. Now let us come to the questions. So the first question is take the correct option. So the first part is the solar system is the part of dash galaxy. Which galaxy are the solar system? Are Earth, the moon are a part of? They all are a part of Milky Way or Akash Ganga galaxy. Now second is which the average distance of the sun from the earth is about how much kilometer? It is 15 crore kilometer. So the distance of the sun from earth, which when measured by astronomers are 15 crore kilometer. We now third part. Let us come to the third part. Which planet is known as the earth's twin? Now which planet, so which one is known as the earth's twin? Venus is known as the earth's twin. Why? Because Venus looks exactly similar to the earth in size and appearance. That is why it is called as the earth's twin. Now fourth one is which of the following planet has the largest number of known satellites? According to the characteristics that we have studied, both Jupiter and Saturn, they have 53 known satellites. So here in the option, the correct answer is Jupiter, because Saturn is not given here. So you will be marking Jupiter. If the Saturn will be given, you will be marking Saturn. Okay. Now look at the answer. What the answer? Solar system is a part of Milky Way or Akash Ganga galaxy. Average distance of the sun from the earth is about 15 crore kilometer. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus is known as Earth's twin. Which of the following planet has the largest number of known satellites? Jupiter has the largest number of known satellite, that is 53. Okay, now you will be marking these, take the correct answers in your book with the help of pencil. Okay, now let's look at the now this is the answer key that I have written. Milky Way, first answer is Milky Way, 15 crore kilometer, Venus, and then Jupiter. Now the next question is fill in the blanks. Number 1, the temperature at the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius, while at the center of the sun it is about 1 crore 50 lakh degrees Celsius, means it is so hot in the center of the sun. Now second part, the light from the sun reaches the earth's surface in about 8 minutes 20 seconds is the time that the light take from the sun to reach earth's surface. And how much time this reflected light of the sun from the moon reach at earth's surface? I have told you that also. It takes 1.3 seconds. Okay, so time taken from the light to reach from moon to the earth is less than the time taken direct light from sun to reach the earth's surface. Now the third part is the asteroid belt lies between the orbits of dash and dash planet. Which planet? Last inner planet and first outer planet. Which one is that? Last inner planet is Mars and first outer planet is Jupiter. So Mars and Jupiter is the answer. Mars is the inner planet, Jupiter is an outer planet. So asteroid belt separates inner planets from the outer planets. I have written the answers over here so that if you have not listened to the answer, these are the answer that have to come in these fill in the blanks. Okay, now you have to do this, write these in your book only. You have to do this book exercise in your book only. No need to do it in your notebook. Do it in your book with a pencil. Mark all the questions I have given to you. Tick the correct also. Fill in the blanks also. Now the next question is very short answer. Just check your answers. These are one word answer questions. Now the first question is name the largest planet in the solar system. Largest planet is Jupiter. Second one, name the smallest planet in the solar system. Smallest planet is Mercury. What is the path taken by the planets to go around the sun called? That path is called orbit. So orbit is the path on which the planets revolve around the sun. Now the next question is, name the planet which has a reddish appearance. Which planet is called a red planet? Which planet has the reddish appearance? It is Mars. Mars is called the red planet because it has a reddish appearance. It looks red in color. That is why it is called the red planet. Now this is your homework. You know that all planets have been named after some Roman or Greek gods except our planet Earth. You have to write the name of the planet which is associated with these messenger. Who is called the messenger of Roman god? Who is called Roman god of war? Who is called Greek god of sky? Who is called Roman god of the sky? You have to find out these. I have told you all these in the characteristics of each and every planet. I have mentioned these, okay? Now this is one activity for you in PDF or in your book on page number 87. This table is given. You have to study this table, and according to this table you have to answer these questions. Look at the first question. Which planet takes the longest time and the shortest time for one rotation? So in this table, time for one rotation, time for one revolution is given. Looking at this table, you have to answer the question. Then you have to arrange these planets in increasing order of their diameter. Look, diameter is given, then you will be answering this question with taking the help of the table. Okay, now hope all your doubts and queries are solved. Now you can do these book exercises in your book also, and if you don't have book, you can do these exercise in your notebook also from the PDF of the chapter given above the link of the video in the school website also. Write to me if you have any problem. I will be answering to all your queries with your roll number, name and section in the comment box. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video so that whenever I will be uploading a new video, you will be getting all the notification. Take good care of yourself. Thank you, students.